Hey everyone, I'm outside with the SwiftJet car foam sprayer, about to try it for the first time on my Tesla. Here goes nothing. Awesome, so you can see how it just throws that foam. Now let's go ahead and make an adjustment. I have it on C. Let's put it on A and see how it throws. So that's a little less foam. I'm gonna go ahead and go with B. And that changes the ratio of foam per water that you get. And I want a pretty good amount of foam, but you can see how good this works. I mean, within minutes, the car is covered with foam. So it works awesome.